We are going to perform a double replacement reaction here in Late Nite Labs using sodium hydroxide and nickel chloride. The equation for the reaction starts out like this. Then we throw a 2 out front to even out the double hydroxide in the products, and balance that new double sodium in the reactants with a 2 over here in the products. We end up with this balanced equation.
Now on to the experiment. We're going to need a few things before we get started, including two 50 milliliter beakers. The first order of business is getting 15 milliliters of a 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution into one of our beakers. There it is, so let's record some observations. Sort of gray in color, a little clouded. Let's move on. Now we need 6 milliliters of 1 molar nickel chloride solution in our other beaker. As you can see, it's bright green, so we'll take note of that.
We're all set up, so it's time to perform this reaction. We're going to take our sodium hydroxide and empty it into the nickel chloride beaker. Post-reaction observations. It looks like the gray color of the sodium hydroxide has taken over the majority of the mixture, and there's a little bit of green precipitate at the bottom from the nickel chloride. From our balanced equation, we know that our two products are sodium chloride and nickel hydroxide, and that nickel hydroxide is insoluble. So we're left with the solid nickel hydroxide at the bottom of our beaker in a mixture of aqueous sodium chloride.
Now that we're done with our reaction, we make sure to dispose of everything properly in the waste recycling bin, clean our workbench. Looks like we're all done here. Thanks for watching.